Okay, so I wanted to share these lipsticks that I got during Fashion Week, and they are limited edition lipsticks, and I'm rocking it right now. It's called Super Stay Matte Ink. So this shade is Artist, and it's so cutie. They're limited edition, so I don't know how long they'll be available, but I love it. It's so pretty. And the tip has like the perfect precision, like if you have a liner. Smooth, glamorous. And this is the other one. This is called Believer. It's like a plum. It's so pretty. They are just amazing matte ink. Super Stay Matte Ink, Maybelline. And look how I rocked the plum. So this is the Maybelline shade. It is a deep maroon, like burgundy, and it's perfect for fall. It's a limited edition, and I actually really love this shade. It looks really pretty, and I'm gonna have to scoop another one up so I don't run out, because once it's gone, guys. So I got these during Fashion Week. I guess these were really exclusives because you have to pre-order these, and you can get 2 of these in a set for almost $16 at Walmart, I think Target, and you can get all of the 6 shades for like 48 bucks. So you can't buy them individually. So this comes in a set, this, and then it's like a nude and a red, and then another nude and I think like a brownish color. So I was able to get my hands on these, and I don't know. These are good as a set. I don't know if I'm going to pay $16 for them, but I mean, they do last. It really doesn't come off. Like, it has a little bit, but it actually stays on like a good while. Um, oh, it's coming off. I know for Fashion Week, it didn't come off so much, I guess, because I just applied and it's not fully dry, but it is coming off like quick. I have a lot of layers on, but I mean, I do like them. Um, I don't know. I'll see if I want to spend that amount. I just really wanted one, even though both shades are good, and I do like a matte, and the colors are fierce. So I don't know. Anyone else try these items out, or would you be buying them? Super Stay Matte Ink from Maybelline. I love the little packaging. Yes, 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 yes. So for more beauty and fashion tips, you know where to find me. Always on my blog at glitterbuzzstyle. Bye.